Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Prism tea. So this is a loaded rainbow tea. So I'm doing lemon tea in the bottom, a little bit of water, and then I'm going to do my strawberry stevia. Stir that around. And in another cup, I'm doing my orange Liftoff. I've crushed it so it can dissolve pretty good. And then I'm adding Pina, Colada, stevia to the orange Liftoff and some mango aloe. Packed my cup with ice, and then I'm going to pour that over the red. So you guys see the orange, yellow, red, and then just a little bit of blue blast because it will overpower it. And kind of swirl a little bit, and that's your loaded Prism tea. Thanks for watching.